education is an integral part of the whole educational process, which designs in the optimum development of an individual physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially through total body movement in the performance of properly selected physical activities. Vision, Center of Inclusive Education and Building Discipline and Good Character for God and Humanity. Mission, in the pursuit of the vision of the City College of Calapan, as an educational institution subscribing to the total development of the youth, the following are the mission statement of the City College of Calapan. A. To foster the intellectual, moral, social, and creative life of its students through quality, accessible, and affordable education. B. To provide for a general education that will develop the whole human personality and seek to create a cultural environment that will prepare him to be professionally competent for life. C. To foster the awareness of the socio-economic situation, a commitment to its improvement, the development of the civil and social responsibility and discipline. D. To provide training and experiences in the sciences and professions. E. To enhance the promotion of cultural values and foster social awareness and responsiveness towards the upliftment of the youth of Calapan. Philosophy, we create possibilities for lifelong learnings. City College of Calapan mission, vision, and philosophy statements are more than just empty words. They are the values that define the school's identity and chart its future. The school may inspire achievement, promote collaboration, and effect positive change in the communities by clearly defining their mission and vision. As we go through ever-changing field of education, let us keep in mind the mission and vision in determining our school futures and enabling the following generations of